How to make infinite loading animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to the media out. Add a polygon mask to the background. In the viewer, click 4 times to add 4 points. Hold down the Shift key to add proportional mask. Connect the last point to the first one. Drag to select all the points and click on this button to add curve to the path. In the inspector, uncheck Solid checkbox and increase border width a little. Select the background node, press Shift plus space, search for drop shadow, and add it. Select background and polygon nodes and press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Click anywhere empty and press Ctrl plus V to paste them. Connect the output of duplicated background to the output of dropped shadow to merge them. Select the new background and change its color to white. Select the new polygon and decrease length to around 0.1. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to position to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 60 and set position to 1 to add another keyframe. Now we have this animation. To repeat the animation, open up Spline panel and check the bottom polygon. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to repeat the animation. Select the background node, press Shift plus space, search for glow, and add it. Now go back to Edit page, drag the composition into Timeline, and adjust its duration to your liking. Also, you can open the inspector and resize and reposition it.